This model corresponds to an end-of-study project. We will focus on the roof, which was designed using Rhinoceros, through its plugin called Grasshopper. But first, let's see the different layers that the model has. This is the code used for the roof. It is easier than it seems. Each of these groups represents a portico on the x-axis. These are the positions of the columns with respect to the coordinate axis. These construct point represent the base of each column, and these ones, its head. The same for the middle portico. Here, another way to do the same. Here, the front portico. This group represents a curve in the roof on each line of the gantry on the x-axis. This component, called hexagon cells, creates the hexagons across the surface. For this reason, the loft component was needed previously. The hexagons can be created at will. The explode component has been used to divide the roof segments into equal parts. To remove duplicate lines, the Remove Duplicate Lines component has been used. Finally, everything that does not correspond to the roof has been hidden. The cover can be shaped at will.